today I'm excited that I hit 60k followers on Instagram. So in today's video, I want to talk a bit about how I managed to move from 1k followers to 60k followers within 2 weeks. Are you struggling with your Instagram? Do you wonder why your followers are not increasing? Why always you stay on 500, 600, and 1000? Once I was in the same position. That's why today, after getting these 60k followers in 2 weeks, I decided to shoot this video to show you how I did it. So if you are interested in gaining more followers on Instagram, if you are interested to know how I did it, stay, watch this video until the end. I want to give you the main points of our video today. So today I have 5 tips or strategies on what you need to have or to use to be able to achieve this. You can even achieve more. For me, I'm today celebrating 60k followers in 15 days, but maybe for you, you may get 50k followers in 1 week. So it's all about the persistency. It's all about the things you are doing, and you have to follow all those tips I'm going to give you. Please don't skip any tip. There are 5 tips. Listen to them and try to use them, because if you follow those tips, I'm sure you'll be able to achieve your goal. So let's start. Number 1 is about content strategy. When we talk about content strategy, first, there are some people who have accounts but they post each and everything. But for me, I said no. Let me take a niche. Let me decide exactly one thing that I want to do. What do I feel interested in, where I feel like I will spend my time working on that. So you have to decide your niche. And then after deciding your niche, the next thing is about the quality of the content. We decide the content we want, but now we have to decide the quality of the content. You have to make sure that you upload high quality content, and also you have to make sure that it's engaging content. When you talk about engaging, we consider 2 things. You have to think about the image, and you have to think about the voice. If you put a music, make sure the music goes with the video. If you took voiceover, make sure your voice also goes well with the video. Number 2, consistency. The first thing I decided to do was like, I'm not going to give up and I'm not going to stop. So because like I know consistency is the key. If today I post a video, I know tomorrow I have to post a video. I know today after tomorrow I have to post a video. So I have to make sure that my audience, always there's something new. You know, if you tell people maybe I'll be posting 2 videos a day, make sure you post 2 videos a day. And the good thing about the Instagram now, you can see when your followers are using Instagram. So in case you want to post a video, you may check, oh, is this a good time to post my video? So when you see it's a good time where most of your followers are already online, you can post your video and it will help you to boost or to reach big audience. So let's go to the tip number 3. Please, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now and let's continue. For tip number 3, today we are going to talk about engagement. We already saw tip number 1, tip number 2. Now tip number 3 is about engagement. How do you engage with your followers? How do you engage in the comments? Do you take your time to go to comments, to reply, make the comments of your followers, to pin the comment you want? Because that's very important, because you know when you like the comment of someone else, they will show the author of the video has liked the video. If you pin the comment, also they will see that. So make sure that when you are starting to grow, make sure that you take some time to go back and check the comments. There are some comments, maybe they ask you some specific questions, so you have to reply. And there are some comments, maybe they just like the video and they don't have anything to say, but at least show some interactions. You know, so this is the most important. Again, this tip number 3, make sure you engage with your community. Make sure you have a good description. When you talk about the description of the video, this is very important, because on the description, that's where you discuss maybe about the video. For example, if randomly I post a video and I don't say anything, someone may be wondering like, this video is about what? Especially if you post a video and you are not maybe voiceover, you're not talking about anything. Maybe you post a video and the music. Someone will be like, what is this? What's about what? So that's why you need to have description. On description, it will even help algorithm to know exactly your video, what is it about, and it can know who are interested in this content. So in this way, Instagram algorithm will share your video to the big audience. So make sure whenever you post a video, at least put small caption put a small caption about your video. So if someone watch the video and want to understand what is it about, the person will check on the caption, then we know exactly, oh, this video is about this. So I hope you get this tip. So now let's go to the tip number 4. The tip number 4 that I use for me to move from 1K followers to 60K, more than 60K followers within 15 days, it's about hashtags. Some people, they think maybe hashtags are not important. You post a video and that's all. But again, you have to know that when you put hashtags, if someone search, this is like for search engine optimization. If someone search, they will just search the hashtag and your video will pop up. So make sure after you already know your niche, you know exactly what you need, what kind of content you are providing. So make sure also to know what are the best hashtags for my videos. So those hashtags will help you to outstand from others, from millions of other people who posted the videos in the same niche. But if you put the correct hashtags, the people will know, will find you easily, and then also the Instagram will be able to recommend your video to the big audience in easy way. So make sure before you move on, before you post a video, always put description, hashtags. On hashtags also you can even go with the trends. What is currently trending based on your niche? Maybe you may not like. For example, if you are talking about something and that there's something almost the same that is trending, you can use those hashtags. So people who are interested in that, they can also watch your video. So make sure to keep in mind hashtags are very important to reach big audience. So now we are going on tip number 5. Please, I want to tell you this is the most important. Don't go before you listen to this tip number 5. And again, if you are enjoying this content, please subscribe, show me support, like the video, leave a comment below in case you have any suggestion or feedback. So let's go on tip number 5. For the tip number 5, this is the very important. For tip number 5 is about the collaborations. When you start your Instagram, you have small content. I mean, you have small number of followers. Maybe you have 0 followers, 100, 200, but there's a way you can boost your account quickly. In this way, remember, collaboration is the key. So tip number 5 is about the collaboration. So make sure when you start and there's some people who are doing the same thing as what you are doing and they have big audience, make sure to interact with them and ask them if you can collaborate, because when you collaborate, my followers will be able to watch your content, and then if they see the content is good, that's what they're interested in, they will go to watch your videos, they'll go to watch your profile, and if they see maybe some of the videos there and they feel like, wow, this person is doing the great job, they will definitely follow you. So make sure when you start this journey, make sure to know that no man is island. Always it's a key to collaborate. Always it's important to work with people. So try to collaborate with people who already have engagement. Try to collaborate with people who already have big followers, big numbers. So this way they will help you to boost your account. This way they will help you your profile to reach big audience. And one thing I realized on Instagram, it doesn't mean to collaborate with someone, it's always a must to know the person. The person may post a video and maybe you add a value on the video and then you ask the person to collaborate. If the person will see your video and feel like, wow, this video, there is something that I can share with my audience, that person will definitely accept your request. Then you can collaborate. But again, it's always nice to talk before you initiate the request. You may talk to the person in inbox and say, I like your content and I'm doing this, can you collaborate? So make sure you collaborate with big fishes. Most of people, they may have the Instagram, but they post the videos, but the videos are always getting maybe 100 views or maybe less than. So I want to tell you what kind of settings can you change so you can reach big audience. The first thing that you have to do is make sure you change your Instagram account from personal or private to professional. Make sure that you change your account from personal to professional or business account. When you are uploading your content, make sure you are uploading at the highest quality. So after changing your Instagram account to professional, when you go to the settings, they will ask you on media quality, they will ask you the type of quality you want to upload, media quality. So you have to pick this tip number 2, which says upload at highest quality. So for bonus tip 3, it's about, you have also to check on these tags and mentions. When you talk about tags and mentions, make sure that you allow tags from everyone, because this way, if someone tag you, even if the person follows you or not follows you, you'll be able to see why the person tagged you, and then you can know, you can accept the thing, or you will not accept. So make sure that you allow tags from everyone. And also, you have to look, another point, they ask you how you manage tags. The best thing is about manually approve the tags. This way it means before someone tag you in stuff, you the one to decide to approve the tags or not. So you have to turn on this notification, manually approve tags. And again, another point is about who can mention you. So allow mentions from everyone. So another tip is about sharing and remixes. You have to go, when you're on a professional dashboard, you will see sharing and remixes. So here it's about, if you post your reels, are you allowing people to reshare the reels? Are you allowing people to use your content? So here, like, there are a few things also you have to turn on. First is about allow post and reels sharing to stories. This means that if you turn on this notification, if someone see your reel and they want to post on the story, the person will do it. You may guess why this is very important. This is very important because let's say you have 5 followers and you post a good reel, but someone with 100 followers or 200 followers feel interested and is like, wow, let me repost this reel to my story. So if you allow this to be like people can do that, that's how you reach big audience. But in the case it's off, no one is going to be able to watch your video because the person will watch it, but the person will not be able to share the video to his followers. So that's why you have to turn on this notification. Allow people to post your reels, to repost your reels to their stories. That's very important. Another one, we are going to talk about where people can share. You post something, but where people can share. So I want to tell you another point that you have to turn on. This one is allow website embeds. People can share. When this on, your public post or profile can be shown outside of Instagram. This is very important because if it can be shown outside of Instagram, people on Facebook or anywhere, they can see your account and they'll be able to reach you. So please turn on this notification. And for the last section is about what people can remix and reuse. Remix and reuse is about your reels. You post already reels, but what people can remix and reuse. So here I have some points that are notifications I want you to turn on. Accept, allow people to do this. Allow the use of your reels, because this way, if someone reuse my reel, they will tell me. Instagram will notify me, will tell me this and this, like this person have used your reels, and maybe you can see the engagement, you know. So that's for me, I feel that's very good for the collaboration. So one thing, as I mentioned at the beginning, Instagram algorithm is changing, and this is your time to gain more followers. We are living in digital life. Today you may have 1,000 if it's okay, but tomorrow if you have 100, it may be more better. So make sure you follow all those tips I told you today, and I'm sure after 1 month you will be telling me different stories. I feel like now I allow people to download my reels. Why? Because if someone downloaded your reels from Instagram, Instagram has the ability that always you will see the name of the person, like who posted the video. So this way also you can reach big audience. Let's say you post a video and someone download the video and they repost the video, because let me say like a watermark, your Instagram handle will always be on the video. So that person, if you repost the video, the people will see the handle of your Instagram. So they'll be like, okay, let's go to check the other content of the person. Oh, now I see the name of this person. Maybe when the person will be using Instagram, I'll be like, oh, I saw one video from this guy and it was good. Let me check the person. So please make sure you remove the thing of feel like you can do everything alone, you can do everything by yourself. Try to think about like big audience, big picture. Try to think about the way you can reach big audience. And those are the tips I want to share with you of today, how I made it. Please, if you didn't subscribe yet and you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Show me support, show me love, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much. It would be great if you can share this video to the big audience, because the way maybe if it was helpful to you, someone else may feel interested. Someone else also want to hear more about this, because we're all using Instagram, but maybe we are not getting the same result. That's why we are here to help each other. So thank you so much. Have a good day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.